We're told to eat with our mouths closed, don't reach across the table, and don't start till everyone sits at the table. F that. Food is kind of like my biography and the biography of all of the people I grew up with.
Giriamo il mondo per portare qui innovazione.
This is where all these cultures mix.
Tommy brought the burger to Iceland.
I had never tasted anything as good. Unbelievable.
In Giappone per fare del buon sushi bisogna essere uomini e giapponesi. Io sono una donna italiana.
Our planet is in an unsustainable condition. Eating insect could be a solution. Traveling, you face the cultural differences. You learn to be open-minded and not judge the food, but the taste.
We bring together different cultures.
The best things come from when cultures collide.